4 months traveling to India, and therefore when they came off the ships and went into work, a surprisingly high percentage of them developed navicular disease. It's interesting to note too that often navicular disease or caudal foot lameness can often first raise its head or become evident maybe within the first 3 or 4 months after the change of ownership. And it's very often the case that the previous owner had noticed or was unaware of any problem whatsoever. And the one thing that happens when horses are sold is the routine changes. They start doing new activities, new types of exercise, a new different level of exercise intensity that they were previously doing, and this then can bring a previously hidden problem or subclinical problem to the fore. These horses that have developed navicular disease 3 to 4 months after change of ownership, many of them may have had routine purchase examinations which they may have passed. They also may have had radiographs of their feet which they may have passed. And that may seem surprising to many of you, but in light of our new knowledge about the diagnosis of the disease, which we go into in our next webinar, is that X-raying and clinical examination aren't the whole picture in making a diagnosis. We have found with the advent of MRI scanning of the navicular bone that it is showing up lesions in the bone that otherwise would not be evident.